honest goodness truth, you guys, media folks, I've come away, unfortunately, with a little bit of disappointment in the world of the media, and don't anybody take it personally, please. You guys have thick skin too. Please, build your skin thick. Sorry. Because, you know, so many things that were reported that could have easily been corrected in terms of what my record is and what we do up here in Alaska and how our government works. Too many media folks decided not to correct something on the record when they could have easily done. That left me with a little bit of disappointment in the whole vocation. I don't want Americans to be kind of disappointed and not believing in our media, because you guys are a foundation of our democracy. We want to believe in you. So everybody's got to be fair and objective in their reporting. So that changed me a little bit there. But whatever I can do there to help and to help make sure that there is accurate information given to reporters, it's all about transparency and accountability. I'm going to help do that.
If there are allegations based on questions or comments that I made in debate prep about NAFTA and about the continent versus the country, when we talk about Africa there, then those were taken out of context, and that's cruel, it's mean-spirited, it's immature, it's unprofessional, and those guys are jerks if they came away with it, taking things out of context and then tried to spread something on national news that's not fair and not right.